Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a very interesting video titled "Help It's Too Big." So this is very similar to the giant accessory or giant people effects on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is actually go to higgsfield.ai to and sign in, and you can see samples of videos and images you created using some of the amazing effects that they have. So all you have to do is to now click on help is too big section, and you'll be brought to a page where you can actually see all the images you created in this format. So ideally you can see that um, it's usually lipstick, a large lipstick behind a female. So let's assume I want to create something like this. All I have to do is to click on it, and for me to see the prompt, and from that area I can actually navigate and create mine. So all I have to do is click on recreate, and then swap the lipstick for something else. So it says a cinematic wash of cool glacial lights diffuses across the polished surface. The ripples are echoing softly like a. You know what? Let me just modify this and continue. So I've modified the prompt. So we'll click on high. We'll change it from high to basic so that would actually minimize or maximize our credit usage. So and then this would be, let me make it, the original one was in 3 by 4, so let me make it 16 by 9. Let's see how it goes. So ideally it should generate within 9 seconds, so you guys can start timing now. So let me just start 5 4 3 2, oh my god, 1. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and it's taking a longer time than anticipated. Okay, so it has given me this. Awesome, nice. So obviously there are some things I did not take into consideration when I was moderating or modifying the prompt. So but you guys get an idea of what I mean to explain. So you can actually animate this and make it into a video or add speech to it. Then you can also download it once onto your system. So this is really really good. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys there. Also, please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much and do have a great day. Please do not forget to drink water.